quantity, and after that boil. After that wait for the some time, and after that the tea will be ready for the serving the people. Now I am adding this ginger in the teapot, and after that add some tea leaf in the teapot according to the quantity. Then after mix it, I am stirring now and wait for some time. Now I am adding the sugar according to the quantity, and after that we add 3.5 spoons of the sugar. We can see that my tea is going to be tasty, and now I am adding the 3 to 4 piece of the cadmium in the teapot for making the tea delicious and tasty, and mix it for some time, and after some time the tea will be ready.